5 healthy foods that prevent heart diseases. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips and suggestions how to live a healthier and a happier life using natural methods and remedies. Many are scared of heart disease, and there are types of heart disease that people are avoiding, especially those that are in their 40s and up. But even younger people are not exempted to this deadly disease because of wrong lifestyle, and since our present environment is already polluted and there are different foods that strongly contributes to the risk of having a heart disease. Although heart disease is also hereditary, everyone must be careful of what they are eating every day, and there are common foods that are good for our heart to eat that help to prevent heart disease. In this video, we will discuss 5 uncommon foods that help to prevent you from any type of heart disease. Let's start. One of these foods is the oatmeal. Oats are a whole grain food, known scientifically as avena sativa. Oatmeal is a comforting, nutritious breakfast that somehow feels indulgent. But did you know that oatmeal is rich in fiber? According to some research, they may have a range of potential health benefits that is good for the heart. They also contain more protein, important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant plant compounds. Many studies have shown that the beta-glucan fiber in oats is effective at reducing LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol levels. Another food is the tofu. Tofu is made up of soybeans. These are known to reduce the cardiovascular and their risk. It is a good source of protein, fiber, and heart-healthy omega-3 S. But don't eat too much. It may increase levels of uric acid in your body. Next is kidney beans. Kidney beans are an excellent plant-based source of protein, rich in various minerals, vitamins, fibers, antioxidants, and other unique plant compounds. These beans may aid weight loss, promote colon health, and moderate blood sugar levels. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new healthy lifestyle videos. Plums and prunes. These are excellent sources of fiber. They are also rich in iron content. They have been studied for their potential to reduce high blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are major risk factors for heart disease. Last one is the barley. Barley is one of the most widely consumed grains in the American diet. This versatile grain has a somewhat chewy consistency and a slightly nutty flavor that can complement many dishes. It's also rich in many nutrients and packs some impressive health benefits, ranging from improved digestion and weight loss to lower cholesterol levels and a healthier heart. You may not like some of these foods mentioned. However, if you are determined to prevent your heart from any type of diseases, try to practice yourself to eat at least one of these 5 foods every day that is good for your heart. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out benefits of best home remedy for common colds, cough and sore throat. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website healthylifestyle.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life. Until next time.